If you've ever looked at an electrician's toolkit and wondered what all those tools actually do, you're in the right place. In this guide, you'll see clear photos, simple names, and easy explanations that make every tool instantly understandable, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's make electrical tools feel less confusing and a lot more familiar. This is a wire stripper. It removes the plastic insulation from electrical wires cleanly, letting you connect them without damaging the metal inside. It's one of the first tools beginners reach for when wiring outlets, lights, or switches. This is a screwdriver. You'll use it constantly for opening panels, tightening terminals, and installing switches. A comfortable, well-fitting screwdriver makes electrical work smoother and helps you avoid stripping delicate screws. This is a pair of pliers. They help you grip, twist, and bend wires with precision. Whether you're shaping a hook for a screw or pulling a wire from a box, pliers give you steady control. This is a multimeter. It tells you what's going on in a circuit by measuring voltage, current, and resistance. Electricians use it to troubleshoot, confirm power, and make sure everything is wired correctly. This is a voltage tester. It gives a quick yes or no answer about whether a wire or outlet is live. It's a simple safety tool that helps you avoid shocks and confirms the power is truly off before you touch anything. This is a circuit tester. It lets you check whether an outlet or wire is working the way it should. A quick test tells you if power is present and helps you spot simple wiring problems without guessing. This is a cordless drill/driver. Electricians use it to make holes for cables and drive screws when installing boxes, panels, or fixtures. It's light, fast, and makes repetitive work much easier. This is electrical tape. It wraps around wire connections to add insulation and keep things safe. It's flexible, sticks well, and protects exposed spots so no metal accidentally touches where it shouldn't. This is a pair of cable cutters. They slice through thick electrical cables cleanly without crushing the copper inside. They're helpful when trimming wires to the right length during installations or repairs. This is fish tape. It's a long, flexible strip used to guide wires through walls, ceilings, or conduit. You push it through, attach your wires, and pull them back, making hidden cable runs possible without opening everything up. This is a conduit bender. It helps you shape metal or plastic conduit so your wiring routes look neat and fit the space properly. With a few steady pushes, you can make smooth bends without kinking the pipe. This is a pair of insulated gloves. They're designed to protect your hands from accidental electrical contact. Electricians use them when working near live wires to add an extra layer of safety and confidence. This is wire pulling lubricant. It's a smooth gel that reduces friction when pulling wires through long or tight conduit. A small amount makes the job easier and helps prevent damage to the insulation. This is a tape measure. You'll use it constantly to size conduit, plan cable runs, and mark installation points. Accurate measurements make sure everything lines up correctly and fits where it should. This is a reaming tool. After cutting metal conduit, the inside edge can be sharp. This tool smooths it out so wires don't snag or get damaged when pulled through. It's a small step that prevents big problems later. This is a heat gun. It blows hot air that helps soften heat-shrink tubing, loosen old paint, or warm stubborn cables. Electricians often use it when they need gentle heat without an open flame. This is a utility knife, a simple sharp tool for trimming cable jackets, cutting tape, or opening boxes of materials. With a steady hand, it makes clean cuts and helps prepare wires neatly. This is a wire gauge. It tells you the thickness of a wire, so you know if it's suitable for the job. Matching the right size helps keep circuits safe and ensures your wiring meets proper standards. This is a spade bit. It's used with a drill to make wide holes in wood, perfect for running cables through studs or joists. One quick spin creates a clean path for wiring. This is a ladder, essential for reaching ceiling fixtures, high panels, or overhead cable runs. A sturdy ladder keeps you balanced and safe while working above ground level. This is a crimping tool. It squeezes connectors onto the ends of wires so they're held firmly in place. It's a quick way to make strong electrical connections without solder, especially when joining cables in panels or junction boxes. This is an oscilloscope. It shows electrical signals as waves on a screen, letting you see how a circuit behaves in real time. Electricians and technicians use it to diagnose complex issues that a simple meter can't reveal. This is a clamp meter, sometimes called an amperemeter. You clip it around a wire to measure current without cutting anything. It's an easy, safe way to check how much power a circuit is using while it's running. This is an insulation resistance tester, often called a megger. It checks whether the insulation on a wire is still healthy by sending a small test voltage through it. Good insulation means safer circuits and fewer chances of hidden faults. This is a wire twister, or wire nut. It joins two or more wires by twisting them together inside a secure cap. It keeps the connection tight and protected, making it one of the simplest tools for safe household wiring. This is a terminal block. It's a small connector that lets you join wires neatly without twisting them together. You slide the wires in and tighten the screws, making clean, safe connections inside panels or junction boxes. This is a rotary hammer drill. It's built for tough jobs where a regular drill struggles. With its hammering action, it bites through concrete, brick, and stone, useful when running conduit or mounting electrical boxes on solid walls. This is a GFCI tester. You plug it into an outlet to check whether the GFCI protection is working. With a quick test, it shows wiring issues and confirms the outlet can shut off power safely during a fault. This is a surge protector tester. It helps you see if a surge protector is still doing its job. Over time, surge devices wear out, and this tester gives you a simple way to check if they still offer proper protection. This is a splice kit. It includes everything you need to join two damaged or cut wires safely, usually connectors and heat shrink tubing. It makes repairs secure, keeping the connection protected from moisture and strain. This is a power tap. It gives you several outlets from one plug, making it easier to run multiple tools at once. Electricians use it on job sites or workshops where extra power points are needed without overloading a single socket. This is a power distribution box. It takes electricity from one main source and spreads it safely across several circuits. It's used on larger jobs or temporary setups to keep tools powered while protecting everything with built-in breakers. This is a grommet kit. It includes small rubber or plastic rings that fit into holes, protecting wires from sharp edges. When running cables through metal or wood, grommets keep the insulation from getting cut or scraped. This is a portable work light. It brightens up dark basements, attics, or panels, so you can see exactly what you're working on. A steady light makes electrical tasks safer and helps you spot details you'd otherwise miss. This is a pair of Electrician's snips. These sharp, compact cutting tools slice through wires, cable ties, and light materials with ease. They're slim enough for tight spaces and strong enough for everyday electrical trimming. This is a power analyzer. It reads how much electricity a device or circuit is using and shows details like voltage, current, and power quality. It helps you understand energy use and spot problems like overloads or irregular power flow. This is a set of Electrician's fish rods. These long, flexible rods help you guide wires through walls, ceilings, and tight spaces. They're great when you need more control than fish tape, especially on long or tricky cable runs. This is a thermal camera. It reveals heat patterns in electrical systems, showing hot spots, loose connections, or overloaded circuits. Instead of guessing, you can spot issues instantly through the color display, making troubleshooting much faster. This is a voltage and current logger. It records electrical behavior over time, letting you track how a circuit performs during the day. It's helpful for finding random power drops, spikes, or overloaded equipment that don't show up during a quick test. This is a continuity tester. It simply tells you whether 2 points in a circuit are properly connected. If the path is complete, it lights up or beeps. It's a quick way to confirm switches, fuses, or wires are working as they should. This is a cable splicing kit. It gives you everything you need to join or repair electrical cables, usually connectors, insulation sleeves, and heat shrink tubing. It helps you make clean, safe splices that stay protected from moisture and strain. This is a cable pulling eye. It attaches to the end of a cable so you can pull it smoothly through conduit or long pathways. It grips firmly without damaging the wire, making big cable runs much easier. This is a rebar bender. Electricians use it when working on construction sites to shape steel bars that support concrete. Bent rebar creates space for conduit runs and helps keep electrical lines positioned correctly in new builds. This is a non-contact voltage tester. It detects live wires without needing to touch bare metal. Simply bring it close to a cable or outlet, and it lights up if voltage is present. It's one of the safest ways to check for power. This is a face shield. It protects your entire face from sparks, debris, or sudden electrical flashes. Electricians use it during cutting, grinding, or panel work to keep their eyes and skin safe. This is a pair of safety glasses. They shield your eyes from dust, sparks, and tiny bits of wire while you work. Even simple electrical tasks can send debris flying, so these keep your vision protected and your work safer. This is flame-resistant clothing. It's made from materials that won't easily catch fire or melt. Electricians wear it when working near panels or high-energy circuits, where a sudden arc or flash could cause serious burns. This is rubber matting. You stand on it while working around electrical equipment to reduce the risk of shock. The mat acts as an insulating layer, giving you extra protection when dealing with live panels or cramped areas. This is an arc flash suit. It's heavy protective gear designed for the most dangerous electrical environments. The suit shields you from extreme heat, blasts, and bright flashes that can happen during high-voltage faults, keeping you as safe as possible. This is a circuit breaker finder. It helps you match an outlet or fixture to the correct breaker in your panel. You plug in the transmitter, scan with the receiver, and it points you to the exact switch, saving time and avoiding guesswork.